In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step on how to create a YouTube channel for beginners. So, whether you're looking to start vlogging, gaming, or sharing your expertise, by the end of this video, you'll have your very own YouTube channel up and running. Let's get started. Step number 1. Signing into YouTube. If you already have a Google account, great. Go to youtube.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your Google account details or create a new account if you don't have one. All right? Step number 2. Creating your channel. Now that you're signed in, let's create your channel. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Create a Channel. Enter your channel name. This should reflect your brand or content theme. I already have my YouTube channel brief details here, so I will just copy-paste it here. This YouTube channel brief is a great help for those who are just starting with YouTube. With the help of ChatGPT and some prompts, it will give you some ideas relevant to your niche. I will give you the template for the YouTube channel brief and the ChatGPT prompts that I used, so please stay up to the end of this video. Now, we can upload a profile picture with something eye-catching and relevant to your niche, but I will do that later. Click Create. And just like that, you have your YouTube channel. Step number 3. Customizing your channel. Now, let's make your channel look amazing. Click on Customize Channel. Add a channel banner. YouTube recommends 2560 by 1440 pixels. You can use Photoshop or Canva to create a YouTube channel banner. Next is add a YouTube profile. YouTube recommends 800 by 800 pixels. Write a channel description. Tell your audience what your channel is about. I already have my YouTube channel description ready from my YouTube channel brief. I will just copy and paste it here. Add links to your social media or website in the About section if you have any. Step number 4. YouTube channel settings. Now, let's increase the visibility of your YouTube channel. This is called SEO, or Search Engine Optimization. Go to your channel settings. You can see some tabs in here, but we will go to the Channel tab. Basic information. Choose your country of residence. For the keywords, I already have keywords ready from my YouTube channel brief. I will copy and paste it in here. Next is Advanced Settings. If your content are made for kids, you can select the first one. Since my channel is not made for kids, I will select the second one. Now, click the Save button. And then click Publish. It may take a while before you can see the changes, but with just a little refresh of the page, and then you can see your profile and YouTube banner that you've uploaded. You can also check it on your TV and mobile phones to see if the banner is optimized and no cut images or text. That's it. Congratulations on your newly made YouTube channel. The next thing to do is to create content that is relevant to your channel. Upload your videos and always engage with your audiences. By the way, if you want a copy of the YouTube channel brief and the ChatGPT prompts that I used, there is a link to the Google form to get access to the downloadable. If you got questions, you can message me directly. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next upload. Let me know in the comments, what kind of content are you planning to create? I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.